a really cool indicator. This is. These are the main tower elevators of the Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas. The ballroom. Foundation does not work. 62. Okay. See if we can pick someone up upstairs. These look much different than the other tower. The old Delano Tower.
Got no key. We don't got our key, Jen.
Doesn't want to let you.
Smart key card reader technology.
It probably won't work until we go to our room because
We scanned
You
first.
need help?
we're both 58.
No, that's
Yeah,
weird.
up-
Is your
try
room
it
58?
after.
Oh, maybe it's. Oh,
Try
that's
it
one.
now. It should go now.
There you go.
I'm kind of waiting.
Yeah, smart key cards are weird. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, that's why. Sexy. Down? There we go. Well, that's what that express is for. That's for the Four Seasons. Like these bar buttons. Yeah, I wanna try to ring a lantern. Oh damn. That's a cool lantern. Alright, that's it.